Long-term EV investments, an alternative to Tesla. Before we begin, I've got a quick favor to ask you. And yes, I know that you've already heard me say this thousands of times, but if you want to see the channel grow, please don't forget to hit like and share the video with your friends. Of course, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that first, and don't forget to click the bell button to stay up to date with my content. Alright, now let's talk EVs. Lately, I've gotten a lot of emails with questions about EV companies, and you know me, I love Tesla, and you now, and I'm quite passionate about the EV market in general. So, in this video, I've got yet another great electric vehicle manufacturer for you, but they are not just any other company, they are a business that has been endorsed by Warren Buffett on multiple occasions. Today, we're taking a look at BYD, Build Your Own Dream, ticker symbol BYDDF, a Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer supported by none other than Warren Buffett himself. Somehow, this company has managed to remain under the radar and most investors still haven't jumped in on it. But we aren't most investors. Now are we? We aren't going to let a fantastic opportunity pass us by. So here is what we're going to look at. What is Buffett history with the company? Who are BYD and why I'm so passionate about them? What do their stocks looks like? Financial breakdown analysis. And what I'm actually gonna do with this stock. Now, how much did Warren Buffett put in Build Your Own Dream? Buffett has been in on this stock for years. His first significant purchase of BYD stock happened in 2008. Talk about long-term vision, you can see that. At that time, Buffett bought 225 million shares. Not only that, but he hasn't reduced his stake ever since the initial purchase. When we consider the difference in share prices between then and now, he is looking at a return that's over 18.6 times bigger than his original investment. That is no small sum even for an investor of his caliber. How did he manage to achieve this? Well, if you've been around the channel for a while, you already know what I'm going to say. He looked at the long term. He is a buy and hold type of guy. Whenever he finds a company that he really believes in, he gets in on position and he plays the long game. So he bought, he held, and now he is looking at an absolutely massive return. And while the company isn't massively popular, he wasn't the only person who snatched the BYD shares for cheap. What sets him apart from everyone else is his long-term vision. A lot of people who bought before or during the time he got into the stock sold out of their positions during the very short-term volatility episodes. But Buffett knows how long-term investing works. He knows that if a company is worthwhile, he should sit on his position. In 2010, he said that he's seeing BYD as a young and promising player in the tech field, nothing but rapid growth and excellent prospects for the future. Then, during the COVID-19 lockdowns, he made an appearance wearing a BYD mask with the message, "I want to live to be 100 and still look good," saying, "My BYD mask is helping me achieving my goals." Who are BYD? Build Your Own Dream. Now, let's have a more detailed look at the company itself. So, as we already mentioned, Build Your Dream is an Asian, or specifically a Chinese company, competing for the Chinese market. Founded in 1995, they have been present on the US market for over 12 years now. That's probably one of the most important takeaways here. We aren't looking at some brand new iPod or something. This is an established company who has been around for quite a while. As you can see from the graph, they've been doing okay for the last few years. By that I mean their stock was mostly stable at around $5 to $6 per share, but then 2020 rolls around and the price skyrockets. Currently, they're sitting at $25, recording the video on 23rd of November. That is a massive and something that EV investors are familiar with. If you look at companies like NIO, Tesla and other EV manufacturers, you will notice similar price bumps during the same period. But wait, there is more. BYD isn't focused solely on electric vehicles. The company is decidedly diversified, with the main section being electronics, automobiles, and new energy and rail transit. Okay, and here is the big thing that makes me personally like the company. Their stated goal is to create and provide zero-emission energy solution. So, yeah, I'm a bit biased. An EV company with great stats, which is also dedicated to decreasing emissions. I mean, what is there not to like? And even though EVs aren't their only goal, their products are competitively priced and can more than stand their own on the local market in China. Let's analyze their financial data. The market cap is 75.91 billion. Today is 23rd of November and the price is 25.79. Before I started to record the video was 23. So you can see how quickly just jump with 8% as well for today. Now, if we go to the financials and let's analyze the data. Total revenue from December 2019, you can see the difference from 127 to 138. Cost of revenue, you can see it's growing steadily. Gross profit, it's amazing. As well, look at the net income. I think they're showing a really nice financials. This is the income statement. Going to the balance sheet, you can see the total cash is 12 billions. You've got total current assets 106 billions. If we go to the total assets, 195 billions, and you've got to the total current liabilities is 108. So total liabilities is 133, and you can see that total liabilities and stockholders 195. Let's go to the cash flow. Net income 3 billions 453,724, and you can see free cash flow, they are already on positive 25 billions. So now I think this is amazing. I think they've got a really good balance sheets, cash flow, income statements. They've got very good financial reports. So to be honest, I'm really considering to start a new position to this company. So it's up to you what you're gonna do, but I think they got an amazing records, an amazing balance sheets, an amazing income statement. So financials are pretty good. So I'm happy with them. Yes. And this concludes our quick look at BYD. All in all, I see a ton of promise in this company, and I will keep track of how they do in the upcoming months. They're going to make for an excellent long-term investment target, and given my love for EV manufacturers, I'm going to have a difficult time staying away. Besides, I can't just keep going on and on about Tesla, since that will just be boring. Very right, yes? Now I want to use the last few seconds of this video to quickly answer a question that a lot of you have been asking recently, which is my favorite investing platform. I've got quite few that I use, especially I use a couple of platforms, but this one, eToro, I consider the best and most to be used on your phone. Their platform is super easy to use, they offer a wide range of options, and there are also some excellent recommendations for new members. For more information, check out the link in the descriptions below. Oh yes, this is a referral link, and if you use them to create your account, you're also supporting the channel at no added cost for you. Morning Brew is another tool that I would highly recommend. Morning Brew is a quick and straightforward daily newsletter service which helps me stay up to date on the latest news from the financial world with a click at the button. So, in closing, I want to give a big shout out to all of you who stayed with me until the end of the video. You are amazing. As always, questions, ideas and experience should go to the comment sections down below. And don't forget to give me a like if you enjoy the content. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. So till next time, stay green and motivated.